All right, so check out this case for your iPhone. It's from SmallRig. It's really cool. It's like aluminum alloy, so it's strong, but it's also lightweight. It's got all the cutouts and everything like that. So we're gonna put our iPhone right in here. So hit this little button right here, and it unlocks it. Boom. And you're gonna slide your phone in just like so. And also I love that there's like a rubber trim here. So it's gonna keep that iPhone nice and just safe from getting scuffed up and things like that. And then you just pop this thing on like that. And look at this, you have so much, like just so many like extra things for filming. Like you have quarter threads all over the place. You also have bumpers and quarter threads at the bottom for tripods. You have your buttons for your volume. You also have your button for your turning off the phone. And then you also have a cold shoe up here. More, just look at all this stuff. There's so many things. Cold shoe right there. So you have microphones, lights, just like all these extra accessories. I even have this one here, which is like a handle where you can screw this onto it. So let me just screw it on right now. I love this because you see how it's just cut out, and you see how like there's buttons on this. So it's gonna fit on there, not just be like a screw thread that'll twist around. It'll lock into place just perfectly for you. And look at that, like that's a cool little rig for filming, because you can have a light on there, you can have mics, you can have all this stuff. And also what's really cool about this is the way that these are set up. There's little actually inserts. So if you have like lenses, they will actually clip onto them. So certain kind of lenses will fit on there. The handle feels great. Also has screw threads all over the place and straps and things like that. So it's just like, man, if you're looking to film stuff, like actually film stuff with your phone, you are gonna want something like this. It's a great product. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.